last video about Demize, you would have may remember me saying that I had a second box. The first one was a subscription box, and this is one of their one-off boxes. This one cost, I think it's $14.99. This is a horror one. They do have lots more themes. They have retro, like 80s, 90s. I think they have a Batman one, a princess one, and lots of others to choose from. Again, it's all kind of based around geeky stuff, weird, sort of nerdy stuff. As I say, this is a horror one, and I was going to wait a few days to open it, but I just got too impatient after opening the last one, and I just want to see what's inside. So yeah, let's have a look. I guess it helps if you open it the right way. Okay. I have opened it upside down, but there we go. This is the start of it. You can pull out some, like, there's quite a lot in here. Oh, okay. We've got, oh, wow. That's like the card of it, and I think we've got some like little stickers maybe here. Okay, so let's open this and just try and get this out. Okay, so we've got the It picture there. That's seen you for It movie too. And yeah, I think they're just like little cutouts. We've got, is that, yeah, Jason, Michael Myers, Scream, Ghostface, Beetlejuice, It, and one more still in the bag is Freddy. He doesn't love Freddy. Okay, so there's those, and there's like a bit of info there saying who made my box. Made by Demize. It is a family-owned company. And we've got a t-shirt. So let's have a look at the t-shirt. Normal people. Oh, I like that. It says normal people scare me. Pretty cool. I think they do scare me actually. I'm so far from normal. Okay. Ooh, what's this? This Saw, I think. It looks like Saw. We've got a mask. Oh wow. That's cool. Yeah. That is cool as. I really like that one. So, pocket thing there. You also get, I think it's like a, is that back to keep it in? No, it's like a little pouch. Maybe it's just to keep it fresh in the bag. But yeah, there is that. There is, what's this? So we've got a magazine, The Simpsons Treehouse of Horror, Fun-Filled Fright Fest. It's like a comic book thing. It's issue 2. Okay, so I've kind of managed to get into it now. I'll just show you how I got it from inside. There's like comic book pages and things about Simpsons. It's pretty cool. And it's actually even got a price on the back, which says it's $12.99 on its own, just for that. And oh, okay. Oh wow, Lost Boys, one of my favourite movies. It's like like a sticky patch, or maybe it's iron on. It could be iron on because it's got that bit on the back there, and it says The Lost Boys on it. Oh, what's this? Ooh. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. Horror keyring there. I can't think of the film that's out of. Oh, it's still cool. It's pretty cool though. It's that one. And then that's one more item. And it's quite a heavy item too. I think it's a cup. Oh, this is on my Amazon list. I'm sorry, it's just so nice. Oh wow. Oh wow. How cool is this? We've got the Ghostface, we've got Jigsaw, Freddy, Pennywise, Jason, Michael and Chucky. And it says friends on the bottom. That's so cool. That is like wow. So yeah, this box cost me $14.99, and that's from Demize.co.uk. As I said before, there are quite a few options for other boxes if you're not into horror. So quite a lot to choose from. So yeah, head to Demize if you want one, or if you want one of their power up boxes, because it's a really cool website full of like geeky and fun stuff. As always, thank you for watching and goodbye.